So this video is about Facebook ads instant form tutorial, right? You're going to learn how to create an instant form right on your Facebook ads manager, right? So the first thing you want to do is to make sure that you come to facebook.com/ad manager, right? Right. So once you come to your ad manager, you can just come here, click on create and create a lead gen campaign, right? Select lead, click on continue, right? Click on continue. Come to your ad set level. You come to your asset level, of course, you can rename your asset to whatever you want to rename it so that you can remember what the audience is all about. Let's say you want to target people interested in IELTS. I want to travel outside Nigeria. I want to travel outside Africa. Right, we just rename it IELTS so that we know that we're trying to target people interested on IELTS. Right, people that are interested on IELTS are people that are more likely to travel, which is an international English speaking test. Right, so you can scroll down and select your audience here. Right, click on show more control. Of course, you can put this to the minimum age of your target audience. Okay, so you can scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Then on this saved audience, I already have a saved audience here. I'll just select one. Right, I've already saved an audience of people interested on IELTS. Okay, I just search for it now. IELTS. This video is not about targeting, right? So you can see I am doing more of geo targeting in this campaign, right? I'm pinpointing specific location I want to target in this my saved audience, right? Now to create your instant form, you come to your ads level, right? You come to your ad level here, then you scroll down. When you scroll down, of course, you can select the page you want to use to run the ads. Okay, you can select the page you want to use to run the ads. Then on this place, this ad creative, this is where you upload image or video. Right, this is where you upload image or video for your campaign. All right. So guys, to create the form, we need to come back to our asset level here. Right. Then from our asset level, we need to remove this from Instagram and select instant form. Right, and select instant form. Right. Now we cannot create the form. We cannot create the instant form. Then this place that say maximize numbers of leads, make sure you select maximize numbers of conversion leads, not maximize numbers of leads, all right? Because if you select this, Facebook is going to find more people that are more likely to take action when they opt in. Like, I mean, people that are going to buy your product or get your services, all right? So yeah, so that's why you want to select maximize numbers of conversion leads, right? So once that is selected, you select your audience you want to target, your locations or whatever. Then you can now come to your ad level. Okay, once you come to your ad level, you want to select you can select the identity you want to use, which is your Facebook pages. Then you can scroll down. This is where you now create the form, right? To create your form, click on create a form, right? You can name the form with whatever you want to name it. Let's just say um let's just say you are selling, let's just say IELTS form, or let's say travel tra- travel consultancy form one. Then let's say R18. Right, I'm going to show you how to create R18 to filter out unserious people from your campaign. Right. So now we can scroll downward. Now you can see this place that said more volume. Use a form that is quick to fill and submit on a mobile phone. Select it and select R18. All right, you can select R18. Then if you want them to verify their numbers before they join, of course, you can enter, but we don't want to do that. All right. So once we are select items, we can click on next. Right. Now this headline is this is where you put the headline. All right. Of course, you can get ChatGPT to give you something like what to put in into your form. Right. So let's just put this right here now. Okay. check if you qualify to study abroad in China, right? Then let's say the description is September intake is full. Okay, September intake is. By the way, if you want to learn how to use ChatGPT to create a Facebook campaign from start to finish, make sure you check out the description of this video. I did a detailed video on how to create a campaign from start to finish using ChatGPT. All right, I also provided a prompt you can use too. All right. So once you get the headline of your form, which the previews normally appear here, right? You can now click on next. Now this is where you now put in the questions. All right. If you don't want to put in any question, you can just select next. But if you want to put in question to filter out to get more higher intent leads, you can now select add questions here, right? Then you can decide to say multiple choice, short answer, conditional, appointment request, right? But if you don't add the question here, and you go ahead and click next, then you can enter your privacy link here. Let's just say www.gmail.com/privacy priv- privacy policy, right? You can enter your privacy link here. Then you can put your site name here, right? You can put the name of your company here. Visit GMA's privacy policy, right? Then you can click on next. Okay. And this is the review screen now. This is the review screen. They will just come to this place, continue. They will put in their email and they are done, right? Then you click on end. Click on ending. Okay, now this ending part of the form is where you is the more of like a success message or a thank you, some form of like a thank you page or something, right? You can edit all these messages here to your own preference. Then if you want them to go to your website after filling the form, you can select go to website, and if you can input your website link here, right? You can input your website link here, link.com as your website link, right? Then if you don't want them to go to your website after you fill in form, you want them to chat you on WhatsApp directly, you just select chat on WhatsApp, right? When you select chat on WhatsApp, click on this connect account to connect your WhatsApp account, and they're going to send you an OTP code to your WhatsApp. Once you verify it, once anyone fill in your instant form on Facebook, they are going to be after they have entered their details successfully, Facebook is going to redirect them automatically to your WhatsApp, right? And if you want them to call your business after they fill in the form, of course, you can select call business, select the country code here, enter your number here, and they're going to call you, and they're going to be directed to their phone dialer immediately they fill in the form, right? And this one is for view files, and this one is for go to website, right? So most people normally use chat on WhatsApp, right? So that's how it is. Once you are done, you can click on create form and it's going to create the form, and you can now start running the ads right away. All right. So if you find value in this video, make sure you give this video a thumb up so that more people can see this video. All right. So that is how you basically create a basic instant form. Now, how do you create a instant form with items? It's very simple. These are the sales questions. You are supposed to put in a title, right? Let's just say enter your details below. This is where they input their email address and their phone number, right? If you want it optional, you can click on optional for phone number, but don't I like leaving the as important, right? So you can say enter your correct details below, and we will give you a call shortly, right? Then you can click on next, and you can click on next. You are good to go. But now, if you want it to be higher intent, after entering this description details here, which is the preview here now, you just need to come here and input some filtering questions, all right? If especially this is very helpful if you don't have a website. Now you now click on add question. You can say multiple choice when they tick and a particular option, or you can say short answer. Let me just show you a sample now. Let's say multiple choice, right? Then you can say let's just ask the question now. Let's ask a question now. Do you have an international passport? Do you have an international passport or plan to get one within 2 months? You can see they cannot tick either yes, no, and you can add another option here for them to tick again, right? You can say no, no, I am planning to, right? So you can decide to make this multiple choice questions optional by taking here, right? But you don't want to do that. Now, once that is done, we can add another question again. For this time, let's use a short answer as a sample, right? For them to be able to type their own answer, not tick anything. Right. Let's just see now, what course do you want to study abroad? What course do you want to study abroad? Right. This now will make them to type their own response. They're not going to select anything. Right. Look at the sample here now. Look at the preview here now. Do you have an international passport? You can select yes, no, or the plan to. Alright. So that's how you basically do that. Now you can even decide to add another layer of question again, which is question 3. Let's say multiple choice. Like let's say, can you afford the tuition fee? Can you afford the tuition fee? Then you can copy all these two. You can copy all these two and put it there. You can say can you afford the tuition fee? Then you can say yes, I can afford it. I need to plan towards it. No, I can't afford it. Right. So that's how you usually and you put in questions in your instant phone. If you want to filter out more people that are more serious and filter out on serious people, right? So you can also add another 4 question again, but make sure it should be around 3 or 4 questions. It should not exceed 4. So now, what this is going to do now is that anyone that's filled this form is going to know that exactly what it's coming to do. This is very, very poor. This is very, very good for when you are selling an ticket offer, right? So once or an ticket service, of course, this place is where you put in the description, right? You can say, you can, okay, since this is chat with us on WhatsApp, say thank you. You could just say thank you. You will give you a call shortly, right? Then if you use a website here, you can say click on the link on the link to learn more while you wait for the free assessment call to get free assessment call to get you started today. Alright. Then enter your website link here, link.com, or your website link here. Once you enter that, you'll be able to, once you click on this create form, you'll be able to create the form, alright. And once the app starts running, people will be prompted to enter their details here, right? So that's how you basically do it. You can see this view website, and you can just edit this button too, right? And edit this button too. You can edit it to whatever you want to edit it to whatever action or stuff. If it's order now or whatever, you can edit it to your own preference, or chat with us, chat with chat with chat with us on WhatsApp. Chat with us on WhatsApp, right? And you can put in your WhatsApp link here. But I advise don't use the WhatsApp link. If you want them to chat you on WhatsApp, you just click on this chat on WhatsApp option, right? And connect account, right? So that's how you basically do it. That's how you basically um and do it, right? So I'm going to so I will just close this now, right? Because once you click on create form, you're going to create form, and I don't want to do that right now, right? So that's how you basically create a instant form on Meta, right? On your Meta apps, both for Instagram and for Facebook. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, make sure you give this video a thumb up, right? And if you have any question, make sure you drop it on the comment section below, and I'm going to respond to you as soon as possible. And most importantly, make sure you check out these videos right here on your screen to learn more on how to get better results with your Facebook ads, right?